You have to set and track goals. And I said you. Yes, I mean you, the shop owner. But it's important that you also share all of this with the team. Think about a football game and nobody sees the scorecard. I mean, it would be a pretty difficult game to win. So establish clear weekly targets. We're talking about sales here, average repair order, but I would track the main KPIs. I would track sales, I would track car count, I would track my average repair order, gross profit margin, those types of things. So make sure that you start assembling a scorecard so your team, everybody knows exactly what's expected. Display it where everybody could see it, where your whole team can see it. I love a whiteboard. We're going to display our numbers right there on the board. If we hit the number, maybe our sales goal is $25,000 this week. If we hit it, I like the visual thing. We're going to write it in green. If we missed it, we're going to write it on that whiteboard in red. So often things are not as they appear. The thing I love about tracking the goals and reviewing the goals, it clearly identifies why we missed the goal. If it's car count, let's fix it. If it's average repair order, let's fix it. Transparency is huge when you're trying to get your shop to the next level. The numbers don't lie, so share the numbers with your team.